Hey, what's up guys, Aravind from Mr. Tech. So today, in this video, we're gonna do something different. So today we're gonna disassemble this mobile. So this is a Redmi 4A mobile. I was forgot it suddenly. So this was one of the first 4G mobile that I have been used, but now this mobile has been dead. So I tried to repair this mobile, but I can't. So like this, I have been uploaded a video several months ago. We on that video I just disassembled a Micromax mobile. So same thing we're gonna do this for this mobile. So we're gonna disassemble this mobile and explore the components and things that present inside, and we're gonna put it back everything like as it is. So if you're new here, I am Aravind, this is Mr. Aravind Tech. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get notified. Okay guys, let's get into the video. Okay, we got our tools here and we got our mobile here. So let's open him. So first we need to eject this SIM ejecting. So look at here, this thing was pretty damaged. So now we keep it here. So now we opened the back panel. So look at here, this battery, I think this battery moved. Okay, look at here, this battery is coming out. So now we open this part here. For that I think it is a star. So I'm going to use, I think this might works. Let's see. Okay, this is huge. I think this thing works. Okay, this is perfect. So this was my first time opening a smart mobile. I was opened and repaired many keypad mobiles, but this was my first time opening a smart mobile. I don't know how well it goes. This mobile was dead, but I was trying to fix this mobile. But let's see if I got any options. I will make a separate video about fixing this mobile. I think that's all the screws. Yes. Okay guys, finally I just opened this thing up. So now let's see what other things are inside. So look at here. So this is the little motor. So this is used for vibration. So now let's disconnect battery. Okay, battery has been disconnected. So now let's remove the battery. Okay, this This is only battery. So this was, yeah, I think display cable, like, so we just removed the display cable. So now let's try to open this cup. So let's see what's under this. And I don't know how to open this because there is no screws. I think same screws. I think this both thing are placed with same screws. So here is a connected strip. So we need to remove this. Okay, I just finally disconnected it. So let's try to open this up. So here is a connector. Okay, now let's remove the motherboard. Why it is not still coming up? Okay, look at here. There is a strip. So just look at here. There is a connector. It's been connecting it. So let's remove this thing also. Okay. Now the motherboard has been separated. So now let's see what other things are here. Here we got that chip, SoC and RAM. Let's see what it is. So this was the RAM. This is SK Hynix RAM, and this was a Qualcomm processor, so you can able to read this here. RAM. So this thing are that wait a minute, what is this? Okay, this thing this is the, so this is a SIM card slot, I think so. I think this thing will goes into here like this. So this thing is that, and here we got the front camera, and here's the back camera. So it feels amazing for opening up your device. But we have another thing. We have this area. So now we're going to open this area. Let's keep the motherboard aside. Now let's open this thing up. So look at here. I don't know what it is. So look at here. Here is that strip is connecting here, and here we have the USB port. Sorry, not USB. It is here, micro USB port. So that's it, guys. That's it. We just opened the entire mobile device. So now let's assemble everything back how it is. So time lapse. Oh my god. Wait, I just made a huge mistake. So without connecting the battery, I just screwed this thing up. So now I have to unscrew everything. By the way, time lapse. That's it, guys. We just disassembled and fixed the mobile back. So that's a best video. Hope it's been informative to you. We just disassembled and fixed the mobile as how it is back. So if you are interested on videos like this, comment below. I will make more videos about like this because I love to explore and disassemble and fix things like this. So if you're interested on these things, comment below. I will make more videos like this because I got lots of electronic products here. So got questions, ask them in comments. I will reply for you. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to get notified. Okay guys, I will catch you tomorrow. Until then, signing off, Aravind from Mr. Aravind Tech.